Hi guys, today we'll read about test automation framework model. Select a suitable test automation framework and tools. For example, choosing Selenium WebDriver for web application testing. Consider the following factors when choosing Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is widely used for web application testing due to its support for multiple browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc., and programming languages Java, Python, C Sharp, etc. It offers a robust set of features for automating interactions with web elements such as clicking buttons, entering text, selecting drop down options, etc. Selenium WebDriver integrates well with other testing tools and frameworks, making it suitable for integration into existing testing ecosystems. Define the structure and organization of the test automation framework. For example, structuring a Selenium test automation framework. A typical structure for a Selenium based test automation framework includes test scripts, Java classes containing test methods annotated with TestNG annotations, for example, add test for executing test scenarios. Page objects, Java classes representing web pages, each containing methods to interact with elements on that page. This helps in encapsulating page specific functionality and promoting code reuse. Test data, external files, for example, Excel, CSV, or data providers within test classes, providing test data for parameterized testing. Configuration files, properties files or configuration classes containing environment specific settings such as browser configurations, URLs, timeouts, etc. Reporting mechanisms, integration with reporting libraries like Extent reports or Allure for generating detailed HTML reports with test execution results, screenshots, and logs. Implement reusable components in libraries. Example is creating common functions for interacting with web elements. Implement common functions for interacting with web elements such as click element by locator clicks on a web element identified by the given locator. Enter text by locator string text enters text into a text field identified by the given locator. Select drop down option by locator string option selects an option from a drop down identified by the given locator. These functions can be encapsulated in a utility class, for example, Selenium utils, and used across multiple test scripts, promoting code reusability and maintainability. Integrate with CI/CD pipelines for automated execution and reporting. Example, integrating Selenium test automation with Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. Configure a Jenkins pipeline to automate the execution of Selenium tests as follows. Install necessary plugins like TestNG plugin for executing TestNG tests within Jenkins. Creating a Jenkins pipeline script, Jenkins file defining stages for checkout, build, test, and deployment. Use Maven and Gradle as build tools to compile the project and execute test suites defined in TestNG XML files. Configure Jenkins to trigger the pipeline on code commits or schedule periodic builds for regression testing. Integrate with reporting plugins to generate HTML reports or publish test results to external systems for analysis. Leverage Jenkins scalability and parallel execution capabilities to run tests in parallel across multiple agents or nodes for faster feedback. These examples provide more concrete illustrations of each aspect of establishing a test automation framework for your Amazon project. If you have any further questions or specific requirements, please feel free to ask. To earn more, you must learn more and come out of your comfort zone.